Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Steve, Almetal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my periscope. It's great. Takes the place of the flex hose behind your dryer, screws to the wall, dryer back straight into it. No more flex hose, no more crimping it, no more jumping over the top of the machine. Push it back, it seals. This is my closest call ever, guys. I don't take chances on steep roofs. I've shown you guys how to take the ductwork apart in the attic itself so you're not up on the roof, especially on these steep inclines. Well, my mom and my sister got me these sweet shoes. If you need to look them up, they're called Cougar Paws. They make walking on a roof feel like you're walking on a flat surface. It's great. However, they do have their limitations, and I'm about to show you guys. Let's do it. Shout out to Cougar Paws, guys. I'm not sponsored or anything. I'm gonna try though. These things are great. This is a steep roof. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Immediately breathes better. Jeez, man. Look at that. And yeah, we started at 600. Man. Jeez, dude. Dang, man. All right, not good. Oh, man, that's slippery. Man. I ain't gonna lie, guys. Look, I don't know if you guys can see the pitch of this roof. Whew. I was losing grip. These shoes are great, man, but not when it gets coated. Not when the shingles get coated like that. And this stuff, man, like, oh well. I'll stop complaining. Let me get off of this, dude. I was thinking I was about to fall. Yeah. Now we're moving some air. Now I gotta try to take a picture for him too. I'll take it. 1500. 16, 14. Now look at it. 16. Wow. Hey, come on, man. That's gonna have to be good enough. I ain't falling off of here, man. Whew. Now to get down, gotta go over there. What I tell you guys, man, it may not show up, but I thought we were going down. What's in your mouth, Bela? What's it? Say hello. Can you say hello to everybody? Look up here. Hey, Bubba. Look this way. You're not gonna say hello? Okay. Well, either way, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you can, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Please share this across your socials, and if you're so inclined, hype the video. All those little things it just shows each one of those pieces of that puzzle tell the algorithm that there's more and more engagement. So, again, I appreciate you all. We'll see you next time.